Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to First PUC Statistics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed about how to tabulate the given information. In this class we are going to discuss similar type of problem, that is problem number 4. So the given problem is like this, that is present the following information in the table. So here in the year 2005 there were 200 banks, out of which 50 were private banks. In these 50 banks, 10 had ATM facility and none of the nationalized banks had this facility. In the year 2010, there were an increase of 50 more banks in the private sector and 180 in nationalized banks. Total number of banks had ATM facility in 2010 is 100 and 75 private sector banks has this facility. See here before tabulate the information, here see what are the characteristics are given. So here given characteristics are see here two years are given, one is 2010, another one is 2005. So in the sense what here years are given. So here year is one characteristic. So given the classified characteristics are 2005 and 2010. Next, so in the year 2005 there were 200 banks, out of which 50 were private banks, and in these 50 banks 10 had ATM facility and none of nationalized banks had this facility. So there are here types of banks are given, one is private banks, another one is nationalized banks. So next characteristic is types of bank, type of banks. So that is private sector and nationalized banks. Nationalized bank. Next, see here one more term is given, that is ATM facility, and so here 10 had ATM facility and none of nationalized bank that facility. So in the sense what here ATM facilities are given, that is with ATM and without ATM. So next third characteristic is ATM facility. That is with ATM, another one is without ATM. So these are the given characteristics in this problem. First I will write these characteristics on the table. So here characteristics are like this. The first characteristic is year. So year, so this cell I will divide like this because there are three characteristics are there. First characteristic is year. So year I will write here. So in these characteristics there are two classified characteristics are there. One is 2005, another one is 2010. Okay, next one is types of banks. So types of banks I will write here. That is private sector and nationalized banks. So here I will write total. Next one more characteristic is, that is ATM facility, that here. So in that there are two types are there, one is ATM with ATM and without ATM. First I will write that ATM facility for the year 2005, that is with ATM. One more is without ATM. Next is total. And here also with ATM. Here it is without ATM. This is total. So before tabulate the informations, we have to write title for this. So which title is suitable for this table? So for this, the suitable title is the table represents that is distribution of banks. According to, so here given characteristics are year, then types of banks, the one more characteristic is that is ATM facility. So this is the title of table. So here title of the table is table represents distribution of banks according to types of according to year, types of bank and ATM facility. Next, let's see the question. What are the informations that are given in the question? See, in the year 2005, in the year 2005 there were 200 banks. So in the 2005 there are total banks are 200. They didn't mention with ATM or without ATM, and they didn't mention then private or nationalized banks. They given only total number of banks. So here total number of banks are 200. So this cell indicates total number of banks in 2005. So here I'll write 200. Next, in these 200 banks, out of which 50 were private banks. So out of which 50 were private banks. They didn't give with ATM or without ATM. They said total number of private banks are 50. So out of which total number of private banks are 50. So this cell indicates total number of private banks. So here I'll write 50. Next, in these 50 banks, notice, see, out of which in these 50 banks 10 had ATM facility. So out of which 10 private banks had ATM facility. So in this cell represents with ATM, private banks with ATM in 2005. So here we have to write 10. So 10 had ATM facility and none of the nationalized banks had this facility. See, nationalized bank is there here. So none of this nationalized bank had this facility in the sense what? So for this nationalized bank had without ATM facility in 2005. So here we have to write 0. So you see, in the place of with ATM facility in 2005 for nationalized bank had 0 ATM facility. Therefore, we have to write here 0. Next, these are the given information about 2005. Okay, before going to 2010, first I will solve these terms. So as we know that under table, below the table footnotes are there. So below the footnote we have to write sources. So see this, here they didn't mention source of the data. So this here source of data are imaginary values. So here footnote, first I will write total number of with ATM in 2005. So how to calculate this total number of ATM in 2005? See, they given number of private banks with ATM and number of nationalized banks with ATM. So if I add these two observations, then I will get total number of ATMs. So 10 plus 0 is, that is, 10 plus 0 is 10 only. So in the total I will write 10. So what is 10 here? 10 is 10 plus 0. So next, see here total private sector banks are given in 2005. So out of which 10 had ATM facility. 10 private bank had ATM facility. Then what about remaining private sector bank without ATM facility? So how to calculate this value? See, if I subtract this value from this total, then we will get this without ATM in private sector 2005. So that is 50 minus 40, that is, sorry, 50 minus 10 is 40. So how to calculate this 40? That is 50 minus 10. Next, so we can calculate this column now. So here this value is there and this value is there. So we can easily calculate this column. So this column represents the total number of without ATM. See, here total number of banks are 200, out of which 10 banks had ATM facility. Then what about without ATM facility? If I subtract this value from this, we will get this value. That is 200 minus 10, that is 190. So how to calculate 190 here? That is 200 minus 10. Okay, next. So now we can calculate this column. So this column indicates nationalized bank without ATM in 2005. See here, private bank without ATM is 40 and total number of without ATM 190. So how to find out this column? So if I subtract this value from this, then we will get this value, that is 190 minus 40, that is 150. So how to calculate the 150 value? That is 190 minus 40. Okay, next. So how to find out this column? This column indicates total number of nationalized banks. See, here nationalized bank with ATM is 0, nationalized bank without ATM is 150. Then how to find out total number of nationalized banks? That is, if I add this value plus this value, then I will get this one. So that is 0 plus 150 is 150 only. So here total number of nationalized bank is 150. Therefore, here I will write how to calculate 150, that is 0 plus 150 is equal to 150 only. Okay, this is all about the year 2005. Next, let's see in the year 2010. See, in the year 2010, there was an increase of 50 more banks in the private sector and 180 in nationalized banks. See, so here in 2010, there were an increase of 50 more banks. So I have to add 50 for this total. So it means what? In the year 2010, there was an increase of 50 more banks as compared to 2005. So how to write that? 50 plus 50. Next, in the nationalized banks, 180 increased. In the sense what? That is 150 plus 180. So here 50 plus 50 is 100. Then 150 plus 180 is 330. So here total number of private banks in 2010 is 100 and total number of nationalized banks in 2010 is 330. Okay, next let's see the next given informations. So total number of banks had ATM facility in 2010 is 100. Total number of banks had, so yeah, total number of banks had ATM facility in 2010 is 100. So here we have to write total number of, total. So this cell indicates total number of ATM, with ATM in 2010. So this here we have to write 10. That is total number of banks had ATM facility in 2010 is 100. That is here, and 75 private sector banks has this facility. So out of which 75 banks, private sector banks had this facility. So here we have to write 75. So next, okay, now next we need to find this column. This column in the sense what, that is number of nationalized banks with ATM in 2010. How to find out this value? That is, if I subtract this value from this one, then I will get this. So that is 100 minus 75 is 25. So how to calculate 25 here? That is 100 minus 75. Next, see here total number of private sector banks in 2010 is 100 and number of private sector bank had with ATM in 2010 is 75. Then what about number of private sector bank without ATM? How to calculate this column? See, if I subtract this value from this, then we will get this value, that is 100 minus 75 is 25. So that I will write here 100 minus 75. Next, see here total number of nationalized banks are 330, out of which 25 banks had ATM facility. Then how to calculate without ATM facility banks, nationalized banks? See, from this value we have to subtract this one, that is 330 minus 25 is 305. So that calculation is like this, 330 is equal to 305 is equal to 330 minus 25. So here two columns are remaining. So this column indicates total number of without ATM in 2005. See, here we have the informations are like this, that is the number of private sector banks without ATM is 25 and number of nationalized banks without ATM is 305. Then how to calculate total number of without ATM? So if I add these two observations, then I will get total number of without ATM in 2005, that is 25 plus 305 is 25 plus 305 is 330. So next, the last column is remaining. In the sense, in this column represents the total number of banks in 2010. So how to calculate this one? If I add these two observations, also we will get this value, or we can do this plus this, then we will get this value. So in the sense what? If I add these two in the sense, that is total number of private banks plus total number of nationalized banks, then we will get total number of banks in 2010. Like that, if I add these two observations in the sense, so that this is total number of with ATM plus total number of without ATM, then I will get total number of banks in 2010, that is 100 plus 330 is 430. Now I will just cross check in 2010. See, just 2010 columns. See, 75 plus 25 is 100, then 75 plus, okay, this steps I didn't write, no. So how to calculate this one? That is 100 plus 330. Okay, see here, 75 plus 25 is 100, 25 plus 305 is 330, then 100 plus 330 is 430. 75 plus 25 is 100, 25 plus 305 is 330, 100 plus 330 is 430. Like that, just cross check 2005, in the year 2005. See, just observe in 2005 columns table only. See, 10 plus 0 is 10, 40 plus 150 is 190, 50 plus 150 is 200. Like that, for 10 plus 190 is 200, 0 plus 150 is 150, 10 plus 40 is 50. Yes, this is all about the tabulation, the given information. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.